In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress pictures in PowerPoint, a handy skill that can significantly reduce the file size of your presentations, making them easier to share and store. Whether you're working with vibrant photos or detailed diagrams, compressing images helps streamline your presentation without compromising too much on quality. Let's get started by launching Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. This is your first step toward making your presentations more efficient. Once you've got PowerPoint up and running, open an existing presentation that you'd like to work on, or feel free to create a new one. In this presentation, you may have already added your photos, tables, and other content, or you might be planning to do so shortly. Next, identify any picture within your presentation. Simply click on one of these images to bring focus to it, a crucial step as this action prompts the Picture Format tab to appear in the ribbon at the top of your PowerPoint window. This tab is your gateway to accessing various picture editing tools, including the option to compress your images. With the Picture Format tab open, look toward the Adjust group, where you'll find the Compress Pictures option. Clicking on this button takes you to a dialog box that allows you to adjust compression settings. You'll now see an option to apply your settings to all pictures in the presentation. If you intend to compress every image, go ahead and uncheck the box labeled Apply Only to this picture. Conversely, if your goal is to compress only the picture you've selected, ensure that this box remains checked. For additional space-saving benefits, you might want to consider checking the box that reads Delete cropped areas of pictures. This option removes any parts of the image that you've cropped out, leading to a potentially smaller file size while keeping your images neatly trimmed. Now, focus on the Resolution section within the same dialog box. There is a drop-down menu here that allows you to choose a new target resolution for your images. A lower resolution, such as web or email, will decrease file size substantially, but may sacrifice some quality. If you need to maintain more detail, selecting resolutions like high fidelity will provide better image clarity at the cost of a larger file size. Once you've made all your desired adjustments, you're ready to apply these changes. Simply click OK in the dialog box to compress your images. Just like that, your PowerPoint presentation is now lighter and ready to be shared or emailed with ease. These steps will help you efficiently manage large files, ensuring the vital information and visual appeal remain intact while significantly reducing storage concerns. Remember, compressing pictures is a smart way to optimize your slideshows for better performance across various platforms.